1,
2,
3, let's go!
Hey guys! Ralph Dylan here and I'm with
Yojan and
John Anthony. And welcome to RaNeilLay Vlogs! And for today's video, we will have an experiment about matter. So let's get ready!
Here are the materials we need for today's experiment. Piece of stone, glass or clear transparent bottle, ice wrapper, water, hammer, rubber band or string, and lastly, bottle cap.
So let's get started! Ralph, what do we need to do for today's experiment? First, we need to get a piece of stone. Then, we will need to press it. Now let me ask you something. Were you able to compress it? And why?
No, it is because the particles cannot move, because they are packed closely together. Solids have a definite shape and volume and can't flow. That's why the solid can't be separated.
Now, drop the stone into the ground. Were you able to break the stone into pieces and why?
No, it is because the particles of the stone are closely packed. That's why they cannot be separated.
Now, let's proceed with our next experiment. Neil, what are the steps that we will need to do for this experiment?
First, we need to get a glass and fill it with water. And then, transfer the water into the other container. Now, let me ask you something. Did water follow the shape of the container?
Yes!
Now, try to compress it. Were you able to compress the water in the glass?
No, it is because water is incompressible, which means that you can't squash it to make room for air.
Now, let's proceed with the third experiment. Anthony, what do we need to do for this experiment?
Firstly, we need to blow air into a piece of ice wrapper. Next, we will need to tie it with a rubber band or a piece of string. Let me give you a question about this experiment. Were you able to compress air inside the ice wrapper?
Yes, it is due to the air's particle. Our spaces are far apart from each other. That is why it is easy to compress.
Let us proceed for our last experiment. Ralph, what are the steps or procedures that we need to do?
First, we need to get a hammer and the bottle cup. And then, we will need to pound the bottle cup with a hammer.
Is this right?
Yes. Now, in your observation, what happened with the bottle cup and why did it happen?
The bottle cap had shape like a flat circle. It is because that when you strike up the top of the bottle cap, it will accelerate downward very suddenly. That is why it has been flattened.
Yes, you are right, Neil. That is also what we call deformation.
And that's all for today's video. We hope that you learned a lot.
Thank you for watching. Until our next video,
Don't forget to like
and subscribe.
And click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos.
Thank you guys. Stay safe. God bless. This is RaNeilLay Vlog. Bye!
Ako yung nakaramano. Is this right mo? First, we need
go! Nagtabog. Kita!
is that right?
Isa!
Is that right?